Hi, I'm Curtis with the Fun Time Guide, and today I will show you an example of my dog Max enjoying a ride on my new electric bicycle, and I will go through the features and how to operate the bicycle as well. I hope you enjoy the video. We'll just walk on over here and throw in the basket. And we're off. Okay, my electric bicycle folds in half. At this hinge point here, you just pull the lever out and it will fold in half. The handlebars fold down alongside the bike. You release the handlebars here and the whole stem and everything folds over. And for Max, I have a simple wire basket that is only attached by 4 zip ties to the existing luggage rack that is standard equipment. I also ordered the pannier bag option, so I've got basically a set of saddlebags that I can carry water or whatever, and I keep my cable lock in there. But the bicycle will accelerate as you pedal. As you start pedaling, it will take over and start powering, and you must maintain pedaling to have the pedal assist method. You also have a twist throttle here, which will activate the motor without pedaling, and a digital readout that tells you your speed, and of course there is the little bell. It's a very simple bicycle to operate. Comes standard with tail light and a headlight, and I highly recommend electric bicycles with the 4-inch wide fat tires. They're much more stable on the ground and you do not feel at all tippy with it. But it's a easy bike to ride, and oh yes, I did also upgrade the seat to a wider saddle so that my old weary bones don't ache. But I'm sure anyone could enjoy an electric bicycle like this.